What? What?
You can be prosecuted for that.
Oh, I love her, Dad. I love her.
Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o. Mo jìyà lọ. You will move out. You will move out of this house.
But I can't.
You will move out of this house.
Move to where?
I don't care where you want to move to. You must move.
This man!
Boys, they are lusting after you. You are a criminal. Fire will damage that your hands when they take kid boys. For that fire, you will stay there forever.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Wetin be this? Jesus.
Now president, now photo on our phone. Your president is now a picture.
You don't know why it's going on.
Es que le bebeció el
He shot you. For what?
Run. What type of plane is this?
Charlie boy do not know. No be juju be that.
It is smoky book. If you tell me our five times look at their hard work, that's why I see I did now. It's to see them and see they there.
Okay, this is what we are doing. You will call somebody inside here and blow that person powder. The person will lie lifelessly. No. I think you will charm me. No, something like that will not happen, auntie. See, you called me here for a purpose. Let us start what you called me for. Leave them here. Let them lie very well. Let us find another room and do what you call me. Let me tell you, your charm can never charm me. Instead, my charm will charm you. That sorry is not for me. See, is it from the front or from the which one do you want?
Hey, Jesus.
And it's a lie. In fact, you call me here for a purpose. Let us start what you called me for. Don't mind them. Let us go to another room. Let us go to leave them here so that they will sleep very well. Let us go to another room. What is no? Okay, think if you blow me powder, I will lie down like them. Something like that will not happen. Everybody is not the same. Which style do you want? Is it from the front or from the back? Which style? You are begging me. No, you are not begging me. Let us find another room or here. You want it here so that they will be looking at us. Let us find another room. Okay, you want to charm me. It's not true. Come here.